Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. Today we'll try to hit at least 45k and we'll be halfway through the 100k target. And I'm looking for the charts that they can give me a good setup, but it's unfortunately I was having difficulty find one. My first trade entry should have been on this common point of rejection. I was looking for this candle to be red, honestly. Okay, I go with the bars here. We are in a great ranging market that we can trust red-green patterns and common points of rejections. I'm taking this trade, and the previous candle would be great if it was a red one and the next one was coming to this. It would be this kind of candle. But now it's just a bit riskier, but I take the risk on this one because we are in the minor uptrend right here and major downtrend. I'm expecting a rejection, honestly. That's okay if we lose this one. I will try to take... Yeah, that was a winning trade. You know, we had also this round number supporting the price, and our entry was exactly on that one. That's because of these last rejections, or because of that. Right, I will try to go and find another good opportunity. This demand area is not valid for me to take because it's not causing any breakout. If it was causing significant breakout, this will 100% would be my second trade. But now it's reacting, but I don't care about this one because it's not in line with my rules. I'll keep moving forward. All right. I want to take this trade. This looks very nice. This looks very nice to me. We have minor uptrend. We have the trend line. Look, it's closing on the third touch of the trend line. I should have entered with margin of safety. It looks scary now. And also, it's closing in the decision point. Okay? So, if you look at the previous resistance area, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it has rejected 5 times from this resistance. Okay, let me mark everything. So it has rejected from this resistance 5 times. I will make it like that, and then I will draw the trend line. You know that third touch of support and resistance is important for us. Here we have the third touch trend line, and what is important here is this decision point, which I will make it blue. So market had a strong rejection with multiple strong resistance with multiple rejections, and then all of a sudden it decided to be broken. So this is a decision point setup. Okay, decision point is right here. The candle is closing on the decision point. So of course previously buyers started to break this, and now they still have some remaining orders, let's say, or still buyers here interested to take action and get into the market. Okay, just like the previous time we had this resistance, which is not much, has not so many rejections, but still that's a resistance, and the decision for this to be broken made on this one. Okay, next time price reacted from this demand zone. It same happened right here, like same happened, decision made to be broken. And next time price reacting from this one. We don't care about big reactions, we only care about small reactions. We only trade one candle. So I take this trade because it's combined with third touch trend line, decision point, and market sequence. See, on previous candles we had maximum 2 red ones, so now it's again more likely to have another 2 red and then 1 green. So it's lining up with our, we successfully can combine on this, and we took the best possible trade we could in line with the minor trend. Okay, I'll move forward trying to find some good setups. All right, this is a wedge, basic market structure. The market's direction is upward now, and the minor trend is also, it seems that the market is shifting its trend now. Okay, so it's obvious that the market's direction is upward, but the question is, do we have setup now? I don't see any buying setup here. The market's just moving in a blind way that I don't know we might have next end as a red one and then again go up. So we're not sure about that, so we don't take a trade. Simple. Okay. Yeah, I see that. You cannot say that, okay, since the market's direction is upward, I will just keep going with the buyers. No, that's not happening. You could lose on this one. All right, there has been a third touch breakout. Okay, on this one, slightly small gap down, which we didn't take. This one also good. Alright, I'm taking this one. Let's go. I'm taking this one. I wish I had better entries on this one. Oh, it's a good one. Let me see if I can save. Safer entry. No, I cannot. So that's the best entry, I guess. I mean, not the best, but I could enter right here. Yeah, my entries are sometimes terrible. It's a third touch breakout first, second, okay, and created higher high compared to previous high, and third time it broke. And I know that this is kind of range that market loves to keep, you know, keep creating these kind of fake outs. Okay, it happens in ranging markets. That's why I trusted this one. It's a little bit of common sense as well. I'd be super mad if I was losing this trade because of my entry, and that's normal if you are, you know, being super mad sometimes because of entries. Okay, so if this blue zone was breaking here after the small reaction, it was coming down, this right here would be our next decision point. Okay, but now I cannot trust this one up here. Okay, we have a QM, which, okay, we don't have higher time frame confirmation for this QM, so we're just going to avoid it. Look at this, we have a small range coming down, and then it broke the range right on this QM. So of course it can give us some reaction, but since I only take a trade if it meets my rules, and this QM doesn't have higher time frame confirmation, I will avoid this trade. If you're interested to join the free competition that I will run for the second time, you can join the Telegram channel because the announcement will be there. It's free to join for everyone. The price of it for the first person is about $10,000, and the second person will be $5,000. The third person is about, I guess, $1,000, and it's free to join. It's a competition. And if you're interested, just join the Telegram channel, stay tuned. And the announcements will be made in the Telegram channel. All right. Let's see. That's the QM that I was talking about, but I'm not going to take it. I'm having difficulty to find another good one, but I will just keep looking. Oh my god, this one is... Okay, I'm taking this one. Honestly, if it goes up, I will add another one because it couldn't get cleaner than this one. A clean gap up on a round number. Listen, if we have a level and the price is very close to this level and then the next candle jumps up and starts from the level instead of starting normally from the way it's supposed to start. It has a jump up. We call this gap up. Gap up, okay? It can go up a little bit, but most likely it will reject and close like this and fill the gap. That's what's happening here. And we have a little bit of supply area lining up with this round number and this gap up having engulfing pattern, which can give us the retracement. I took this because of that. And yes, I think that was the last trade. I hope you enjoyed. Like I said, do not forget to join the Telegram channel. And also, there will be preparation videos for the participants, which means that you will have free access to a couple hours of videos that have to be prepared and how markets works and etc. You can also take advantage of that. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, everybody, and peace out.